Pensight email marketing tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Pensight for email marketing. Now, the first thing you want to do after creating your Pensight account, and by the way, I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. After you have created your account, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select marketing. From there, you have a few options. You can either use automation. So for example, you could tap on create automation and you can set up different triggers. By triggers, I mean that different actions. So for example, you could set up a trigger that whenever someone makes a purchase, they'll receive an email and they'll automatically be caught in your email automation. So you could give your automation a name. Then from there, you can tap on schedule an email. After selecting schedule email, you could add in the email subject. Then scroll down and you could choose one of their templates right here. Whether you like to send a welcome email, a weekly update, or you would like to share discount, you can do that. So you could also use the discount option to, for example, send to persons that have a product in the cart that they have not purchased as yet. You could do that. So this is how you'll be able to set up an automation. Another thing that you can also use Pensight for, you can use it to send a broadcast or email newsletter. By tapping on email broadcast, you could tap on create a broadcast. Then you could add in your subject and you can scroll down, and from here you can see different templates that you can choose from. So you could select any one of these templates. Let's say for example this one. You can see how the template looks. Then once it is to your liking, you'll tap on customize it. After doing that, you can customize the text by simply tapping on the pencil icon. Then you'll tap on save. You can also customize the image by tapping on the current image. You could remove it and upload your own. You scroll down and you can also edit the text right there. If it is a case that you would like to add text or image, you can do that. From this section, you can also add your address at the bottom. Then you'll tap on continue and you'll be able to add in the person or person's email address and you'll be able to send your email newsletter just like that. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.